Welcome to I'm 3D Studios. Today we're going to discuss Ollama, large language models, and downloading local AI language models for use. So let's get started. All right, so here we are at the website of Ollama. Before we get started with the download process, here we're going to go over our system specs. We have several different systems in the office. We're running a system with 2 GPUs, 2 4090s, and we have a CPU, a Threadripper 64 core, memory 256 gigs of memory, and some NVMe's. All right, so with that system setup out of the way, let's place that over there. Okay, now when I'm running the language models, I'll be looking at what GPU it uses and how much percentage of that GPU it'll be using. All right, now we start to download. For me, it's going to be Windows. You click on Windows, you click on the download, which I've already done. Download. You click on the Ollama and setup, and it starts the process in the default programs folder. I think app data. That process is by default is quick, streamlined, and the second part of your installation, and we put together, it'll come here to the Windows. Click on these 3 dots, drop down menu. And you'll go to extensions, and as you come over from extensions, you go to visit Chrome Web Store. Click on that, and you will put in, let's see, Page Assist. Page Assist. This 3 little bubble dot right here. You click on that, and it will begin the installation, which I already have. Then you click on the icon, and then you pin it so you can see it. Once you pin it and you can see it, you click on it. Okay, Ollama is running in the background from the installation. Now I'm going to ask it a quick question. What is your name? I'm Qwen 3.5, large language model developed by Hangzhi Lab. Oh, I thought it was developed by Google. Okay, so now I would like to go into settings. I want to show you some pretty cool settings. Now, first, you want to manage your models. I downloaded 2 models already, Qwen 3.6 27B and Qwen 3.5 59B. This one will put a slight strain on the GPU, but I want to see if it splits, and opposed to using system memory and CPU, I want to see if it splits because it already is reading both of the GPUs. All right, so if you want to add on some new models, more models, you can come here and Ollama models, and you can, Llama, you can pick Llama 3, Llama 4. I think Llama 4 is the latest. Llama 4. And you could do all Mistral or whatever language, whatever LLMs you want to download, foundational models you want to download, boom, they're all here. So what we'll do is, and the download process, you'll be able to see it download. Let's download one. Let's download Llama, because I do want to add Llama to my list of models, and I will go with this one. Okay, when you download, click OK, and you'll see the numbers running up here in the far corner. All right, as it's downloading. Let's go back to our Page Assist. Let's go back to our what I like to do here is some of the settings is pretty cool. Memory. I like memory. Persistent memory, so they can remember your objectives for your business or whatever it is you want the AI to remember. So I'll click add memory, and I'll say, your name is Hana. Not Hammer, Hana. Okay. Oh, you know what? Let's say your name is Mary. All right, Mary. Your name is Mary. Your name is Mary. That's in the memory. So now we'll go to manage. Let's go to general settings, and I want it to speak back to me. I want to hear the voice. So what I'll do is text to speech voice, Google UK English female. Is that British? Yeah, UK. That's what I want. And I'll click save. And let's see, autoplay, enables text to speech, autoplay. Okay, it should be already set. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the page assist. All right, and I chose my model 3.59B. And now I'm gonna ask, what's your name? Let's refresh. I want to make sure she gets it. So let's click on the mic and ask, who's your name? Whoops. Okay, let's delete that. All right, let's delete that. I'll type it in. Okay, what is your name? Okay, and let's see. I think we put Mary. All right. My name is Mary. It was great to meet you. How can I help you? I want to learn ComfyUI. Excellent. Okay. So we got that up and running. Now, so yeah, that's pretty much it on getting it all set up. It's quite simple. It's quick. And here you go. Now, let's do some housekeeping. When you get a chance, like and subscribe. All right. We got some pretty cool products. We're going to be working on ComfyUI. Let's see. There's, and also with the double GPU that we have, the 2 GPUs, it's registering right here in ComfyUI. VRAM here and here. So let's clear this out because this activity, I believe, is the AI. So I'm gonna clear that out by hitting these two, see what happens. Okay, all right. This is a good opportunity to see if I activate this should be connected. Let's run it. And see the usage, the VRAM usage. 98%, 96%. That means it should be using some of the CPU. It's going to the CPU and the memory to generate the image. Okay. All right. I was wondering. Let's do it again and see if it trips the second GPU. Because the VRAM is high right now, I think, because of AI, the Llama. So let's run it again and see if it trips the second GPU. No, see that? See that? The CPU. Okay. All right. That was a good test. All right. So let's do some housekeeping, some advertising. Okay. Here we have some products. And if I can click on it, can I click? Okay. Yeah, this is Fab Marketplace. We have MetaHuman Hand Pose Library. We have the MetaHuman Performance Pack, hand and facial mocap. And what's great is when training LoRa's can use Unreal Engine and use the MetaHuman Performance Pack to create lores, position like your character to be consistent through different scenes in ComfyUI. If you use Unreal Engine and use these tools to create and train your lores, which I'm going to have a episode on that. So please stay tuned, watch the space, and you'll get to see us do these things. And here we have MetaHuman face poses, we have Xsense mocap library, and we have a combination of all three, MetaHuman Performance Collection, MetaHuman Performance Collection, face, body, and hands. Fantastic. So let's go back to, yes. So to see all these things, it's going to be fantastic. Come to YouTube page and like and subscribe and watch this space.